You'll find panels all over the Photoshop CS4 interface. A panel is one of these guys here that you'll see on the edge of the interface. And I can click on the edge here to extend this panel group, and likewise also collapse it again. At the top of the panels, you'll notice we have a little arrow. If I click on it, it expands them. Clicking again will collapse them. And I can click on an icon to see the panels inside of it. Now, as you see in this one, color, I have swatches, color, and styles. The cool thing about these panels is you can also click on the tab to slide and rearrange them. And you can even tear them off. You'll often see me tear the swatches off because I use them quite a bit. And I can go ahead now and collapse the rest of those guys, and then click on the little gray bar to move this around. If I click here on this little circle and close that, the panel is gone. I can always get it back by going to the Window menu and choosing the panel that I got rid of, Swatches, and it reappears. Now, what if I want to put this panel back inside of this little group here? Easy. I'll click on the tab and drag it until I see where I want to drop it. It lights up blue. So I'll go ahead and drop it right there, and now it lives in its own little space. Once again, I'll tear it off, collapse these guys, and this time I'm going to click on the swatches and drag it all the way to the right. Watch this. The entire area here turns blue. So I'll let go, and now I've created a group that I can add to. So I'll go ahead and tear off color and drag it right on inside of this guy. And now it is now living inside of this group. I'll tear styles off and do the same thing. I'll drag it right up to the top of this line here and let go. Now I can go ahead and collapse it, and I have my own group. Very, very handy. So you can make your own set of panels to suit the work style that you're used to. I'm going to go ahead and collapse those once again. And I'll go over here now to our toolbox. You'll also notice that you have this arrow for the toolbox. And this is handy depending on the size of your monitor. So if you have a tall monitor, what you can do is click on this arrow, and now you have a nice tall bar. I'll go ahead and click again, and now I have the short stack. So panels are customizable. You can move them around, you can tear them off, and you can dock them with other panels. If you ever lose a panel, don't forget, you can always get it back by going to Window and finding the name of the panel that you accidentally closed or that you want to work with now.